In this video, we're going to quickly cover how to send a follow-up email in Housecall Pro, and by the end of this, you'll be sending professional and timely follow-ups to your clients in no time. Whether you're new to Housecall Pro or just looking for a refresher, stay tuned, because I'll walk you through the steps, plus some extra tips that will make you look like a pro. First things first, Housecall Pro is an all-in-one business management tool that's perfect for service-based businesses. It helps you streamline communication, booking, and follow-ups, all while saving you tons of time. If you've been struggling with keeping track of customer communication, Housecall Pro makes it easier than ever to stay on top of things. And yes, you can use Housecall Pro completely for free with our exclusive link below, so make sure to grab that offer. Now, let's get into how to send a follow-up email in Housecall Pro. After you've completed a job, you'll likely want to send a follow-up email to your client. This ensures they're happy with your service, it gives them a chance to ask any lingering questions, and it can even help you land repeat business or referrals. Start by opening your Housecall Pro app or logging into your account online. Once you're in, go to the Customers tab. This is where you'll find your list of clients. Click on the client you want to send the follow-up email to, and it will open up their details. You'll see a timeline of their job history, invoices, and communications. Now, you'll want to click on the Panosi Send Email Kasi Balo button. This opens a simple, user-friendly interface where you can type out your email. Housecall Pro makes it easy to customize the email subject and body, and you can add any notes you want, whether it's thanking the client for their business or providing additional instructions. For a great follow-up email, make sure to keep it personal. Address the client by name, reference the service you performed, and ask for feedback. You can even use this as an opportunity to include a call to action, like scheduling another appointment or offering a discount on future services. Housecall Pro also allows you to save email templates, so if you're sending the same type of follow-up to multiple clients, you don't have to rewrite it every time. Just use one of your pre-made templates, make any quick adjustments, and hit send. It's that simple. Before you send the email, Housecall Pro gives you the ability to preview it, so you can make sure everything looks great. Once you're happy with the message, go ahead and hit Kawes. Send. Your follow-up email will be sent out instantly, and you'll have a record of it in the client's profile for future reference. This means you can keep track of all your communications in one place. A quick tip: if you're sending follow-up emails for an invoice, you can also include a payment link directly in the email, making it even easier for clients to pay on the spot. Housecall Pro integrates with various payment platforms to make invoicing seamless. Sending follow-up emails regularly is one of the best ways to improve customer relationships and maintain professionalism. By staying in touch, you're showing your clients that you care and that you're organized. It's a simple task, but it goes a long way in building trust and ensuring you get repeat business. As a bonus, I'll tell you that Housecall Pro offers a great mobile app, so you can send follow-up emails from anywhere. Whether you're on the go or finishing up a job, you have the flexibility to communicate with your clients right away. To wrap up, Housecall Pro is an incredibly powerful tool for service professionals, and sending follow-up emails is just one of its many features. If you're ready to streamline your business, save time, and improve communication, make sure to check out Housecall Pro through the link below for an exclusive extended free trial. It's the best way to get started without any commitment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.